and welcome back to Rabindranath's Accounts is Easy. And I hope you're finding it easy, especially the chapters that we are doing right now. Goes like that, yes. Subsidiary books of journal. Two books we have already done in our previous videos, purchase book and sales book. Fine. So you must already have realized that this is a very easy part. Similarly, now we go to the next books, which are the purchase return and sales return book. Meaning return outward and return inward. Okay, please be familiar with these names too. Now, what is the journal entry? When I purchase goods, now goods can be purchased for cash or on credit. So when we purchase, we do this purchase account, debit to cash account or creditor's account, depending on cash or credit. Now, when we pass this entry, we need a document, right? We have discussed this. We need source documents to pass journal entries, right? To authenticate them, validate them. Now, so which source document do I base this entry on? Of course, when I purchase, I get a bill, right? The bill or invoice, the cash memo, if it is a cash purchase. Fine. Now, when I return goods, of course, there will be no bill, right? Bills are when we purchase or sell goods. So, what is the source document that I will use when I return goods to my supplier? Yes, I will have to pass this entry, creditor's account debit, meaning to whoever I am giving these goods, I will have to debit that person and I will credit purchase return because this is decrease in my expense. Yes, when I purchase, it's an increase in my expense, so I debit purchase. When I return those goods, it's a decrease in my expense, and all decreases in expenses should be credited. We credit that to purchase return account so that we have a clear picture at the end of the year how much goods have we purchased and out of that how much have we returned. Fine. Now, why do we not debit cash here? It is not necessary, number one, that we immediately get cash for the goods returned. Okay, it might take time. Secondly, we do not know whether the purchase of these goods that I am returning was on cash or credit. Right? Suppose it was on credit. Suppose goods are purchased on credit. I haven't paid yet. I am returning goods. Will I get cash for it? No, right? I haven't even made the payment of the goods that I have made. So since I do not know at the time of return which goods are these, I can return even after a month. So we do not debit cash. Okay, instead we always debit the person to whom we are returning those goods, that is the person from whom we have purchased, our creditor. Clear? So many children make a mistake here. Whenever they return goods, they bring in cash into picture. The cash account should never be brought into the picture. Alright, it's always the creditor's account in case of purchase return and debtor's account in case of sales return. Now, so which document do we make? So we make a document which is called debit note. Debit note, credit note. Okay, now these are the documents that you must have maybe heard or seen while doing the basic terms also. Debit note meaning I am debiting your account. I am making the note. I am issuing it to my creditor. I am saying, okay, I am debiting your account. Am I not debiting his account when I am returning goods? Yes. Why am I debiting? Because creditor is my liability. Now since I have returned goods, I will not pay him this amount, so my liability goes down. So I am debiting his account. So I should inform him that, hey Mr. Creditor, I am debiting your account because the goods that you had sent are not as per my specifications, are faulty, are damaged. You send me extra goods that I have, from that I have asked for. So the reasons are also mentioned in the debit note. The details of the goods, the price, everything is mentioned. Okay, this is why I am debiting your account. And that's the debit note. Simple? Yes? Many children get confused between what is debit note and what is credit note. And you might get questions, you might get questions like, which is the document on which on the basis of which you pass this entry of a purchase return. So you will have to say, it is a debit note and what is it? This. Here. Similarly, a credit note. In case of sales return, when I sell goods, I debit cash for cash transaction or I debit debtors for credit transaction. And I credit sales account. Fine, sales is my income, debtor is my set, cash is my set. Done. When my customer return goods, then here of course I have given him a bill. So the basis, source document for passing this entry is the bill. But what is the basis of passing this entry? I need to generate one document. I would generate one credit note. Why credit note? Because when I return goods, it's a reduction in my income. Sales return debit. Yes, when income reduces, we debit the account. So sales return account debit. And we credit my debtor. Debtor, not cash. Same logic here, right? So he might not have paid me cash till now because it's a credit transaction. Why will I pay him cash for the goods that he is returning? I'll just deduct that amount and he pays me the net amount due. So here am I not crediting my debtor? Yes. So I will give him a credit note that, okay, Mr. Debtor, your account is credited, you pay me less. Right? And it also mentioned the details of the goods and the reason of the return, why the customer had asked for a return of goods. So this is a debit note and this is a credit note. Fine. If this is clear, we can straight away jump to the format and a short sum on how we record the purchase return and sales return in the respective books. So are you ready? Let's get started. Alright. Record the following transactions in the appropriate books of Messrs. Krishna Enterprises. Appropriate books. And all we see here is return goods to, Gopal return goods, allowance allowed, allowance claim. So these are all related to purchase and sales return. Now very importantly, we have already done the format of purchase and sales book in which we had the different columns for taxes, freight, etc. Everything were there. As per the council, if you see the syllabus which is given in maybe if you have the syllabus book, the latest one, and also in the books at the beginning, you should always see and check the syllabus and what it includes and what not. Okay? Please do not be doing blindly what the books are doing, because books do not conform to 100% to the syllabus. Okay? So you should also be careful about it. As per the council, we have been instructed that the returns book need not have so many columns. Okay, in real life, yes, we do have. But it has been simplified for you, so why do you want to complicate it, right? So here, the council, wants these columns, the children to know how to make entries in these columns in purchase return or a sales return book. Format remaining almost the same. Date, particulars. Here you will have a debit note column in purchase return as discussed, and this will have, the sales return book will have a credit note column. Ledger folio, details and the amount column. That's it. Yes, that's it. You will not have any input output taxes column, no freight column, nothing. Okay. So this can't get simpler, yeah? So let's do this. Return goods to Mohan 1 lakh at less 10% trade discount. So these goods were earlier purchased at a discount. So obviously the return will also be at a discount. So we put this, of course, return goods to. In such cases, it's just the only thing that you have to take care is whether this is purchase return or sales return, right? So that we put it in the correct book. Return goods to. So you are returning goods to Mohan. This is obviously purchase return. So Mohan was my creditor, so I put his name here. Mohan, it was 1 lakh. So this is 1 lakh. Therefore 10% of it is 10,000. This becomes 90. So basically I am returning goods worth 90,000 to Mohan. Correct? So this is the only thing that comes here. That's it. It is no more calculations. So whenever there is a discount given, you will subtract that and you will get the actual amount of return. Okay? Then Gopal return goods. Gopal return goods, and we are preparing in the books of Krishna, right? So this means that somebody is returning goods to us. That is, this is sales return. Gopal was my debtor, so I put it here in the sales return book. Gopal. How much? 15,000 worth of goods. Less 5% trade discount. 5% of discount. So 750. 750 if I subtract, my net return amount comes to 14,250. So this is the actual amount I will be subtracting for Gopal's account. And then he pays me the remaining amount for the goods that he has purchased. Easy? Then allowance allowed to Kanha. Your allowance meaning a deduction in the price or amount paid to Kanha. Okay. On account of a mistake in the invoice. This also would be recorded in the returns book because the sales book records that okay, Kanha has to pay me such and such amount on the basis of invoice. Now, if there is a problem in the invoice, if I have overcharged Kanha, then also I will have to put a credit note here in his name, and I have to credit Kanha's account because we have charged him excess earlier. So here we are allowing him an allowance. That also comes under sales return book. Kanha Enterprises, how much am I allowing him? 5,000. So 5,000 less, right? This also comes under sales return because I would have credited this extra 5,000 to sales account, right? Which is not the correct value. So now this done. Then we come to allowance claimed from Muralidhar. We are claiming an allowance, meaning we are supposed to get this money, right? And Muralidhar, of course, is supposed to give me this allowance. So it's again from now here. That means when it's a reduction in the expense. Yes, there was a mistake in the invoice when I purchased the goods. So good for me. I put it under purchase return. Muralidhar's account, I am debiting. I will not pay him this 2,500 because he had overcharged me. 2,500 amount here, and that's it. So now whatever transactions you enter, end of it, you just total this amount column only. No need to total under details column. And so have I done in the sales return book. That's it. Finish. Yeah, you don't believe that? This is what you need to do in purchase and sales return book. Okay. So I hope these 4 books are clear. The next one, the video, will be on journal problem. That is interesting something. That's something, which deals with entries where you have to just put, a bit of the thinking cap on your head and get conversed with some new concepts. So, waiting for some more exciting videos with me in the next video. Till then, practice this and finish it off. It's very easy. Do not delay the pilot. Okay? Take care, children. Keep smiling. Stay healthy. Bye-bye.